We're going to make a really short video today. On my car here, Kruella, my 500K replica, I can barely hear the blinkers, especially when I have the radio running. And the problem is the cancel doesn't really cancel very well. So I end up driving around with my blinkers blinking all the time. So I researched to see if I could find a loud flasher. And that's what this is supposed to be. This LF12 is supposed to be 5 times louder than a normal flasher. So let's see if it is. All right, I'm not even sure you'll be able to hear it on camera, but let's find out. I think you probably heard that. Okay, I'm going to install this. I just picked it up at my local auto parts store, no big deal. I think it's a pretty normal item, but it is advertised to be 5 times louder. Let's see if it is. This thing is supposed to install just like any normal flasher. And that's my flasher right there. So I'm going to pop that out and put this in. Okay, the new flasher is in place. That's the old flasher. And that's Scout. He's supervising today. All right, let's see if this is indeed 5 times louder. Here we go. Well, that's louder. I'm not sure it's loud enough to make a difference though. Okay, Scout, that's it for today's video. It's louder, but it's not as loud as I was hoping. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.